Good morning students, this is Shahniaz sir. Welcome back to computer class. Last week we have finished with the uh, chapter 11 impact of computer on society, and previously we have done with the chapter introduction to visual basics. So we have completed our quarter 4 syllabus. In our quarter 3 we have done two chapters, that is advanced QBasic programming and advanced HTML. So this is our last class. We have a revision class. On advanced HTML. In our during our class time in advanced HTML, we have done learn using coding only. We have created websites using coding only. Today I will show you a software, Macromedia Dreamweaver. The software we can use. We don't need to write code in that software. We can easily, by dragging and dropping, we can create the websites. So it is a very easy tool and creates very easy websites. So let's start. First of all, you need to download Dreamweaver software. So I've already downloaded and I'm using it to show. That is Macromedia Dreamweaver 8. You have to download this software. Remember, Macromedia Dreamweaver 8. So I'm clicking on this software. So it will open with this page. Here we can see that HTML, Color Fusion, PHP, VBScript, and many other options are given. So we will use HTML option. Just click on HTML. So it will come with this page, this white screen, and some properties here. So first option is code. If you click here, you can see the code. Whatever the code you write, by using coding you can create your website. Split screen, you can use both. You can write code or you can design. Both option you can do. And the design option we will use today, this one. You have no code here. You just design, and whatever the design you do, it will create the website for you. So background, the coding will be created, but you don't need to go on coding for the website. So first of all, I need to break my whole page into some of the parts. So for breaking my page into parts, a table is a good option. So I'm clicking on insert, clicking on table. So you need any number of rows and columns as you desire. So I want 4 rows and 4 columns, is given already. I'm clicking on OK. So here it is, my table has come. I'm increasing with my page so that the whole page looks like this. So I want to, first row I want a bit bigger. This row I want like this, and bottom rows I want a bit larger. Larger. So here make it as you want. So this become quite big, so make it a bit smaller. So in the bottom I have like this, and the top I have like this. So in my, now I broke my the page in like this in few options. So I want my tabs, I want to write tabs here. So select the 4 columns and making it center. First one will be home tab. It will take me to home tab wherever I are. Next one is about. third one I'll give as menu, and the fourth one I'm giving as products. So here it is. I have created all my four tabs. So after creating my tabs, I want to make the link so that when someone clicks, it will take them to home page. So right here, home.html, select the name, look it has become blue, so the link is created. Click on about and write oot.html. It will take you to about page. Write menu, click menu.html, select this product option and write products.roducts .ht. So my links are created, and now I will create the page. So as this is my first page, I am working in with this first page. So I want to, you have to click on save as button and go to desktop. I want to save my files in desktop, so click on desktop, create a folder first, name of the folder my web page, my web page. Click on this button. First one will be home.html, home.html. Save it. Second one will be about HTML. Save as that, VOUT. Make sure the link name and your page name should be same, otherwise it will not take you to the correct link. Menu.html, so save as .html and products.html. So save as, click on save as and HTML. So my 4 pages is done. So now I am on product page. So make sure you are in correct page. So click on open and open home page. Click on home. So here you are, you're in. Now I'm in my home page. Here I'm in home page. So in my home page I want to give an image here. So click on insert, click on image, bring an image from my drive. From logo I want to have this image. Save in your folder. Okay, no need to give anything else. So here I have brought the image. So resize, sometimes it happens like this. So resize your tabs again and the size you want. So I want in my home page, I want these first 3 columns should be merged. Click on, select that columns first and click on table and go to merge. So it will, I want to write something, my science project or science project. I'm giving the name as science project. Select the text. I want to make the size a bit larger, so I'm giving 70. So it will become 70. I want to change the color of the text. So the color of the text should be, I want to have this color. So color is given. Now I want to change the background color. I want to give the background color here, the BG in background color, so I want to give this color. This color is not good, so I want to give this color. This color is okay. So here this is science project. I have done my home page. I have designed with my home page. I am clicking on save, so my home page is done. Now I'm going to my product. I want to go to my about page, so file, go to open and open your about page. Here your about page, and in my about page I want to have another image. Insert a image. Suppose I want to have this logo, so yes, save. Okay, so here it is, my logo is here. Resize the thing, and I don't want to write, I don't want to merge this. Okay, I want to merge this here also, so select the columns, click on table and click on merge. So you can write here about this website is created for collecting and storing science projects of students. So I've done my about page, so I have to save my about page, and now I will go to my menu page. So click on your open your menu page. Here your menu page. So here your menu page, and menu page I don't want to give any image. I just want to merge the whole thing, all the columns, and centrally I want to write main menu. I want to write main menu here, main menu, and to make the text larger. Even here the text size is 90. Changing the color to giving a deep color. Here it is, in a background color. I want to give this one. It's okay. So this is my main menu. I don't want to, you can write your things whatever you have. So you have, now this is my menu is done, so I will save my menu. Now I finally my product also I want to merge the, or I want to give a bring a graphics image. So go to Google, go to image, write science projects .gif projects .gif .gif image. So here it is. You can see the option, the picture you like. Suppose this one, look, yeah, it is having a animation. So copy the image from here, or save the image, save save images in your desktop, my web page, in my web page, save file, close it, go to your file and you bring the file here, insert image, your folder, my web page. So I have this one here, I am giving okay, so here it is, I have given this one, resizing it, so just merge table, merge, write all products or projects or products you can write. The text size should be 90 and change the color of the text, so color is green and background color I'm going to give yellow. Yes, this color is okay. So here I need to save this page. So here I have created very simple page, simple website for you with 4 page. So you can add more options, more text, more image in your video files also, audio files also in this in your website, and you can work with other options also. So after creating, designing, you can see the preview. Just click on this button, preview in Firefox. So it will take you to Firefox. Here you can see your product in product you are. Click on home, it will take you to your home page. Click on about, it will take you to your about page. Click on menu, it will take you to your menu page, and click on product again, it will take you to product. So by this way you can easily create your website. So click close, I'm closing it now. I'm closing because my project is done, so I'm closing my Dreamweaver. Now I'm showing you that from my desktop I have created my website. Now from here I can go to my home page. Clicking on home, I can see my home page. Whatever the page I want, just click on this, click on the button, and I can see all the pages. So here by this way you can create your homepage using Macromedia Dreamweaver, and you can create nice websites. So thank you very much guys, and goodbye.